Okay, so good day everyone. I hope and pray you are doing okay, you are doing fine. So because of our bad weather, no, nagkaroon tayo ng series of class suspension. So para makasabay pa rin kayo, we're gonna have this video lecture to cover our lesson 2. So yung ating lesson 2 is about networks, introductory concepts. So this is very short lesson because we're going to discuss here some key concepts in network, yung elements, challenges, and so on. Okay, so let's proceed. No, let's start now with definition of network. Okay, so sabi dito, network represents the idea of connections between entities in space. It contains a set of objects and a mapping or description of relation between objects or nodes, no? So it means that networks, okay, it only shows how different things, no? Ano yung mga things na to? Ito ay mga tao, no, yung people, places, objects, no? So it shows how different things are linked or connected to each other in a certain environment. So ito po ay pag sinabi nating network, it talks about the connections, okay, the relationships of these things, no, sa isa't isa in a in space, no, in a certain environment. Okay, so dahil sa connection na yon, dahil sa relationship na yon, nagmumukha itong map nakalagay dito and a mapping or description of relation. So dahil sa connections na nabubuo within the society, ay nagkakaroon ng it looks like a map, okay, that links one object to another. Okay, parang concept map, no? Sa map na yon, mayroong itong central idea, ililink mo siya sa ano yung pwede mong ilink doon. So parang ganun din ah, parang ganun yung network. Okay, magkakakonekta yung mga, it's either people, the place, or the objects. Okay? So, that's a network. Again, pag sinabing network, connection, okay? Link, ano pa? Relationship. Okay? So, that's network. Now, ano-ano ba yung mga basic elements ng network? So, first, we have actors or nodes, no? So sa actors, it composed of humans and non-humans. Of course, kapag sinabing humans, ito yung mga tao. No, it can be your friends, it can be your classmates, your family, kahit yung kaaway mo. So actors yun na nasa humans. Okay? Now, pag sinabi nating non-humans, ito naman yung mga computers, yung mga machines, ano pa, yung mga non-human organisms. Okay? So, ayun po yung actors. It composed again of humans, which is tayo, and non-humans, which is yung mga computers, machines, and non-human organisms. Kapag sinabi naman nating links, no? So, una, meron ng actors sa society. Ngayon, ano bang ginagawa ng mga actors sa society? Of course, they are going to what? Socialize. Okay? So, dahil sa socialization process na yon, nagkakaroon ng connections ang mga tao. Nagkakaroon ng links na tinatawag, which is the second element of networks. Okay? So, yung links, ties among actors. Ano ba yung relationship na nabubuo when kapag nagkakaroon ng socialization ang mga tao sa society? Okay? So, for example, it can be your uh, uh, pwede sa loob ng klase ninyo, pwedeng classmates. Okay? Ah, friendships, ayan, no? Family. Okay? Ano pa? Ah, pwedeng kaaway. Okay? Ano pa? Pwedeng sa marriage. Okay? So, yung asawa mo. Okay? O yung mga jowa ninyo. Okay? So, ayun yung mga relationship o yung mga links, yung mga connection na nabubuo sa societies. Okay? Now, the third one is flows. Okay? So una, meron ng mga actors. Okay? Merong humans and non-humans na. Pangalawa, meron ng ah, meron ng connection na nabuo sa mga actors sa society. Now, sapat ba na yun lang? Siyempre hindi, 'no? Kapag sinabing flows, ito yung things that are being exchanged by actors through their links. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga bagay, okay, na shine-share ng mga actors because nagkaroon sila ng links or ng connection. For example, ito 'no, kung nasa loob tayo ng, ito 'no, kapag nasa loob tayo ng klase, okey, nasa loob tayo ng classroom, tayo ay yung mga actors. We are humans. Okay? Now, ano yung links natin? Okay? Ako yung teacher ninyo, estudyante ko kayo. So that's link. That's the relationship ng mga actors sa loob ng klase. Okay na, sa klase natin. Now, ano yung flows na, ano yung flows doon? Okay? Which ang flows natin, ang ine-exchange natin ay puwedeng knowledge, puwedeng information, okay. Kasi yung flows, ito yung mga bagay na nag na, um, these are the things, okay, na yung mga actors, they send or share with each other through their connections. Okay, for example nga, 'no, money, 'no, information, yung tulad ng example natin kanina sa loob ng classroom, ako yung teacher, kayo yung student, 'no, ayun yung links natin. Then yung flows doon ay yung information. Okay? So that's the three basic elements of networks. Okay? So now, what is a local network? So for us to understand the nature of local networks, no, let us first examine how networks are being classified. Okay? So sabi dito, there are three classifications in networks. At ito yung mga yon, no? First one is the human and non-human networks. Again, 'di ba dito sa basic elements, meron tayong actors. Now, yung actors na 'yon can be divided into two, which is the human and non-human actors. And ayun yung classification. Isa sa mga classifications ng networks. Again, kapag sinabing human, ito yung tayo, yung mga tao. Okay? Non-human, these are technological entities, no? Yung mga TV, radios, phones, computers, at yung mga non-human organisms. Okay? So, ayan yung first classification of networks. Next is social and computer networks. Now, sa social networks, of course, society is made up of people. Now, ang people na yon, they begin to interact, they begin to socialize. Okay, so doon nagsisimula, no, when human begin to connect with one another. So doon nagsisimula yung social network. Okay? So next is the computer networks. So sa computer networks, okay, interconnected computers. Okay? When a group of computers and other devices like your phones, like the printers or any servers, okay, are connected so they can share information. For example, sige, kayo kapag may assignment kayo, no, tapos hindi kayo tapos magpapa-print kayo sa school. Now, ano yung magiging connection doon sa computer networks, no? For example, ikaw, nasa phone mo yung file, okay? So, from your phone, isi-share mo yon sa computer ng sa computer sa admin kasi doon kayo magpapa-print. Okay? Now, that's connection. Okay? From your phone to uh, computer. Okay? So, that's computer networks. Kasi ito yung group when computers and other devices are connected so they can share information. Okay? So doon lang ba natatapos, no? After nun, kapag na-send mo yung file sa computer, so from computer to ise-send niya naman yung information doon sa printer para ma-print na ni printer. So connection ulit 'yon. Computer networks ulit 'yon. So from your computer connection ng computer to uh, connection ng computer to printer. So that's computer networks. Okay? Again, kapag sinabi nating social networks, when human begins to connect with one another, no? Connections of people among themselves. So social among themselves saan? Of course, sa society. Okay? Next, sa computer networks, ito ay interconnected computers, no? Pwedeng computers to computers, they share information, pwedeng computers to other devices. Okay? So, yun po. Okay? Now, next is, I think this is the last one, the last classification, no? This is the last classification of networks ay local and non-local networks. Now, itong classification na 'to, it talks about the geographical boundaries of connections, 'no? Hanggang saan lang ba ang area ng sakop nitong networks na ito, okay? Ayun yung pinupunto dito sa local and non-local networks. Now, kapag sinabing local, we have here, the LAN or the local area network. So, yung LAN na 'to under local networks, okay, can be, it connects computers, no? It connects computers and devices within a small area like sa classroom, no? Ano pa, sa mga computer lab, no? Nakakonect lang 'to sa itong yung connection ng mga ito, no? It connects computers and devices within a small area. Okay? So, yung office sa computer lab, no? Nakakonect lang 'to within a small area. So, ayun yung local area network. Again, 'pag sinabing local area network, it connects computers within a small, hindi lang computers, other devices pa, no? Within a small area. Okay? And it can be wired, okay, or wireless. Yung wired, usually ginagamitan yan ng cable. Okay? Para i-connect it. For example, no, meron tayong sa computer lab, let's say sa computer lab, no, computer laboratory, um, mayroong modem. Okay, sa modem, doon nakasaksak yung mga computers. Okay? So, para magkaroon ng internet, magkaroon ng connection. Okay? So, uh, ayun yung wired. Okay? Para magkaroon ng internet, kailangan ng, para magkaroon ng connection, kailangan ng cable. Okay? Then sa wireless, pwedeng Wi-Fi. Okay? So, again, kapag local, okay, sa local networks, we have what we call the LAN, L-A-N, or local area network. And itong LAN na to, it connects computers and other devices within a small area. Tulad nga ng computer labs, sa classroom ninyo, okay, kapag nagpa-hotspot kayo, no, sa classmate ninyo, considered yon as a local networks. Kasi ano ba yung geographical boundaries ng hotspot ninyo? Ito ba ay pang maliitan lang o kayang kumonek ng buong city, 'di ba? So, under siya ng LAN. Kasi maliit lang yung geographical boundaries ng hotspot ninyo. Okay? Now, next is the non-local network. So, non-local, ibig sabihin, kung ang local, small area lang yung sakop nito, ang non-local, no, it connects computers, no, across different places. Pwedeng sa cities man yan, i-connect yung computers from this city to another city or even sa countries. Okay? For example, no, dito sa non-local network, we have what we call the WAN, WAN, or wide area networks. For example, um, when you use the internet to talk someone in another city or country, example nun ay non-local network. Okay? So, yun po. Basta kapag non-local network, isipin nyo lang ay um, um, malakihan yung sakop niya. Okay? Pwede kang makakonect from this city to another city, from this country to another country. Okay, so that's local and non-local network. Again, sa classifications of networks, we have three. Okay, the human and non-human, the social and computer networks, and the local and non-local networks. Okay, now, why do we need to study networks? Okay, because first, networks networks are everywhere or are all around us. It arises in every sphere of human activity. Ibig sabihin, no, networks are present in almost everything we do, no? Whether nasa school man tayo, no? Whether nasa bahay man tayo, ano, kasi kapag nasa school ka, may networks doon. Yung connection mo within your classmates, connection mo with your teachers, okay? Or ano, sino man yung nasa school, no? Next, sa family, okay? Sa loob ng bahay, okay? So, nandoon yung family. So, mayroong networks pa din doon. Sa friendships and even sa social media. Okay? So, everywhere na, kung kahit nasaan ka, mayroong networks, no? Mayroong connection, mayroong relationships. Okay? And next is networks significantly affect the quality of our life. It enhances our communication and enable us to share our resources with other people more efficiently. So through networks, we can talk to people faster, no? Using our phones, using our social media, using technologies. Okay? We can work better as a team kasi nga mas napapabilis nito ang communication, no? And mas napapabilis nito yung access of exchange or um, exchange of information because of the technology. So minsan, no, kahit tulad nito, no, kahit wala tayong face-to-face classes, mas napabilis yung exchange of information kasi we can use technology. Okay? Para kahit wala tayo sa loob ng klase, nagkaroon ng suspension, makakapagturo pa rin ako. Okay? Now, when we look at the broader aspect, no, sa ating ekonomiya, mahalaga din ang networks kasi meron tayong tinatawag na globalization. So sa globalization, ito yung connection ng isang country to another country. Okay? So or people to another people or ano man 'yon, no? Again, kapag globalization, no, ito yung connection ng one country to another country. So sa connection na 'yon, nagkakaroon ng trading, no? So mas napapabilis yung exchange ng goods and services. Okay? And hindi lang naman kapag globalization, hindi lang naman goods and services ang nag-e-exchange, pati na din ang culture. Okay? Kaya nga, kahit hindi tayo nasakop ng mga ibang bansa tulad ng China, okay? Mayroon pa rin tayong kultura nila, yung pagkain nila, na-a-adapt pa rin natin because of globalization. Okay? Because of connection natin doon sa China. Okay? So uh, that's the importance. Why do we need to study networks? Now, of course, kapag mayroong importance, meron tayong challenges. Okay? At ano-ano ba yung mga challenges? Tignan ninyo sa loob ng classroom ninyo. Once kayo ay mayroong relationship or not in a romantic ha. No? Yung relationship in network, hindi to romantic. Okay? Kapag meron kayong connections with your classmate or with your teachers, ano yung pwedeng challenge na makuha ninyo? Okay? Ano pa? Sa labas ng classroom, sa school mismo, ano yung pwedeng challenge doon na ma-encounter ninyo while networking? Okay? Kapag nasa labas na kayo ng school, okay? Nasa bahay kayo or kapag saan man kayo pumunta in broader aspect, okay? Ano yung pwedeng challenge na makuha ninyo kapag mayroong networking o network, okay? Pwede ninyong i-type yung inyong answer sa ating chat box sa comment section diyan, no? Iche-check ko po 'yan kapag ta-type kayo ng inyong comment ng inyong answer sa comment section, no? siguraduhin may pangalan kasi babasahin ko po 'yan and kapag meron na tayong face-to-face class ay bibigyan ko ng recitation chips. Okay, so make sure sumagot kasi, ah, part pa rin 'yan ng, recitation. Okay, babasahin ko po iyan sa comment section. Okay, so diyan po nagtatapos ang ating, um, discussion for lesson 2 na sakop nitong lesson 2 na ito ay networks introductory concept. So make sure na panoorin kung hindi kayang panoorin 'no, meron namang, akong sinend na, sa inyong GC for handouts na babasahin po iyon kasi, ah, sa ating next meeting sa face-to-face ay meron tayong quiz regarding dito sa lesson 2 and also group activity. Okay, so if may question, pwede kayong mag-PM sa akin at pwede kayong mag-chat sa ating GC. So I hope no, uh, safe kayong lahat. Okay, safe ang lahat, no? Stay dry and uh, kung hindi naman kailangan lumabas, wag nang lumabas. Okay? So thank you everyone.